You are the commanders tonight. Okay, right. This is commander. You say I do, right? You speak, I say yes, right? So we are now 20, so we can start. Great stuff. Okay, excellent. Good. So let's start with what? USD card today. Let's begin with USD card today. Let's begin with USD Canada. All right, USD Canada is here. It's a 5-minute chart, as we normally do. Okay, and we are going to put a line on top there, the highest of the hour and the lowest of the hour. Okay, so this is 1 hour box. It covers the hour of 7 to 8 London time, 7 to 8. If you translate it to your broker, it could be any time depending on your broker. Okay, my broker, it will be 9 to 10 because my broker is 2 hours ahead of London. So hence I use 9 to 10. This is an indicator that draws the box for us. We could do it manually, but if the indicator can do it, why don't you use it? It's a technology, so we use the technology to do it. All right, so we go here, indicator, and we look at it. So the indicator itself is called sessions indicator, and that session indicator, this is the property of sessions indicator. It has 3 different types of settings you can do. You can do Asia settings, Europe settings, and USA settings. Okay, if you are going to do Asia, you make sure that the color is selected. But if you don't want to do Asia yet, you don't select any color. Same thing apply for Europe, and same thing apply for America. So currently we are just looking at Euro to start. Hence we have a color selected. For the other 2 regions, we don't select any color, so you won't see them on the chart. So you click OK to that. Okay, now you have your box. Okay, now when you have your box, you need to trade the box. Is anybody new here today? Okay, good brokers. Yes, okay. The best broker I know so far, although they might not be in some countries, I understand. Some people have said IC market is not in their countries, but they are in most of the countries in Europe. They are in Africa. They are in America. No, they are not allowed in America. Generally, any broker who hasn't got their head office in the US is not allowed to operate because of the US Security and Exchange Commission law. Okay, apart from the US, I think they are everywhere. Okay, Yusuf, you are new. All right, good to see you, because it's important you tell us that you are new. Otherwise, we will be going at a speed of a jet. We call it a jet speed or SBS speed. We'll be going at SBS speed. Okay, so if you want to register with IC Market, I've got a link for you. So you can use that link to register with them. They are very good broker. You can withdraw your money so easily. Okay, so fingers on the buzzer, please, everybody. This time we want to trade. Okay, we want to trade. Let's relax. Let the energy slow down a little bit. Let's get it down a little bit. Okay, right. So I'm going to zoom in. All right, fingers on the buzzer, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to insert an arrow. Okay, so this arrow will tell you what is the, let's use up arrow, right? Let's use up arrow. Or let's use down arrow because we are selling. It doesn't really matter. It's just a illustration only. It's not part of the trade. Okay, so if you decide to use a short, if you decide to use arrow. So I'm going to put my arrow on this candle. It's my choice, right? I can decide. I can put it anywhere I like. No question asked. Trigger number, please. What is your trigger candle number? That is the number 1. So which is the trigger candle number? Right. I'm waiting for your answers, please. Okay, Zain. Zain said it is 4. Okay. Mubarak 3. Jacob 3. SKSKB 3. Yusuf 3. Etuaruna 3. Abel 4. Okay, so we have the division between 3 and 4. I could suggest why that is the case. Maybe someone didn't see that the gap between this one and the line. Okay, let's look at it. Let me expand it a little bit more. Okay, maybe someone will change his mind if I expand it. Is anyone changing their mind? Let me make it bigger as possible. Okay, let's see if somebody will change their mind. Anybody changing their mind yet? Okay, so Abel's changed his mind. It's gone for it's gone for 3. Majid has gone for 2. Okay. Majid has gone for 2. Who else changing their mind before we reveal the answer? Anyone else changing their mind? Okay, Zain has said 3. Okay. All right. Okay, let's go for the answer then. Okay, Yusuf, it should be 2. Okay. All right. You're so confident about that, right? All right. So this is number 1, right? As we said, this arrow shows we are starting from here. That's what it means. We are starting from here. The second one actually is not the answer because the second one is in and out. It's half of it is inside, the other half is outside. And what we are looking for is a candle that is completely outside. We call it a committed candle, a trigger candle. The candle that is outside and is not touching the line again. So which is the candle? It is this candle. That's number 3. You thought we'll touch the line, but it's not. Okay, yeah, no, it's not. Yes, because I've made it bigger now so you can see that it's not touching the line. Okay, so everyone got it right. Everyone got it right. The people that said 4 before, they've changed their suggestion. So well done. Yes, it is number 3. Good stuff. Number 3 is the answer. Okay. So number 3, let's put our, okay, before we zoom back, let's go back there. Okay, so this is number 3. We said let's put our trade line. So at the close of number 3 candle, at the close of this candle, number 3 candle, we are going to sell. Okay, at the close of that candle, we are going to sell. Okay, so we are selling at this candle, at this line. Our stop loss is at this line plus 1 or 2 pips. Our take profit is this box here. Okay, this box here is our take profit. And what is the take profit target today? It's quite nice 20 pips. So on USD CAD today, you are looking for TP1 of 20 pips, TP2 of 40 pips, TP3 of 60 pips. You get the idea. A TP, the first TP is the size of the box. The second TP is 2 multiplied by that. The third TP is 3 times. The fourth TP is 4 times, and so on and so forth. All right. So you went into the market from here. You sold right from this line, and you are looking for 20 pips. Okay, so initially we went down up to this level here. We went down to about 9 pips. So we didn't get to 10 pips, so we didn't have the chance to close our trade. So we wait the market to go and come back. All right. So now let me zoom out a bit. Okay, so I can see the whole picture. So now you've gone into the market right at the on this line, and you are looking for 20 pips. Okay, where do we get the 20 pips? The first TP we got it here. TP1 is done. Let's see the second TP. 40 pips. Where did we get that? 40 pips, we got that maybe 10 minutes later. What about 60 pips? Third one. We got that a few minutes, or let's say some hour later. What about TP4? 80 pips. Did we get that? Yes. Is that 80? Yes, that's 82. Yeah, that's 80. That's TP4. Did we get TP5? 100. Did we? Did we? Yes, we did. This is 101.7. Let me see. In fact, it's more than that. That's about 102.6. So we're able to secure TP1 to 5 today on USD CAD. Good trade. That is good trade. If anyone can catch that number of pips, 80 pips, that's a good one for SBS if you can catch it. But if you can only get TP1 and that's it, well done. If you get TP2, fantastic. I don't think anybody can plan and get all the TP5s. You can, but it's nearly like you must have some kind of a magic power. But be satisfied. If you get only TP1, be satisfied. Yes. Excellent. So, ladies and gentlemen, that is the story of USD CAD today. Any question? Are we all clear? No questions, right? Nobody's got question. Yeah, that's fantastic. So we can move on. Okay, so if you are new, okay, good question. Very good question. Let's look at this example that we're looking at right now. You see this example here? We had 2 opportunities to enter this sell trade. Okay, you missed the previous lesson. No problem. Okay. Okay, good. So you have 2 chances to go into this trade. Let me expand it a bit more. Oh, no, it doesn't look good that way. Let's make it back. Okay. You have 2 chances to enter this trade. This is the first opportunity here where we enter the trade. That is what we call the first breakout. Okay. Sometimes the breakout can be a fake breakout. It can be a fake breakout. Okay. A fake breakout is a breakout that tempts you into a trade and immediately retraces back into the box. Okay, this is actually a good breakout because it didn't retrace too far. Okay, you didn't hit your stop loss. Okay, but sometimes when you get the first breakout, it's a fake breakout. Most of the time it could be a genuine breakout, but sometimes it could be a fake one that it trick you into the trade and then it goes back straight into the box. Okay, so but we know that when we have a fake breakout and then later on we had a retest of the same level, so we have a breakout on this level here, and then we went back inside to retest it, and then we are going again. This one is the opportunity of this retest is much assured than the opportunity of the first breakout. So if you are looking to avoid fake breakouts, you will be looking to go for retest rather than the first breakout. So you'll be looking for more assured trades, quality trades, but it will be very few. You might not get a breakout in a particular day, a retest in a particular day, for example. Okay, so that is one thing you must be aware of. But when you get a retest like this, we have seen that the retests are more solid, they are more reliable, and they tend to be a good signal. Also, the original breakout, most of the time, 7 out of 10 times, will be good, will go in the right direction, as this one does, though it retraces a little bit, but eventually it went in the right direction. So that is one method you can use. Okay, any other question? You fully understand the SBS? Yes, good. I like that. We have some SBS champions here already. So Kwacho is one of the experts on SBS. SBS experts, expertos. Good. The good thing is that people are becoming very successful on this strategy. Few people have said this is their first time of ever making money in Forex, and they are using this SBS. Okay, so we are glad that SBS can help people, especially give you confidence. I mean, somebody has been knocked down few times. Who has not been? Everybody has been knocked down in Forex few times before. But you get up again, and you move on again. So SBS is here to actually help anyone that is struggling, because it's so complicated in the market, different strategies, different methods. But this one is so clear, it's clean, and is working. That's the most important thing. Was it one box you used to throughout? No, not really, because the one box is for one session. So your question is, was it one box you used throughout? No. This box is for one session, but if you want to trade the other 2 sessions, it means you are going to have 3 boxes: Europe, Asia, and US. SBS has a very good winning rate. Yes, it does. Should we select pairs for every day, or we can do different currency pairs? Okay, I think you can select some pairs, let's say 5 pairs that you really like. Okay, you really like them because you have studied them for a while. Say you've studied them for like a week. When I mean study, you go through the back testing. So this strategy is easy to back test. It means you want to go backwards and look at all the boxes, look at them for maybe the last 1 week or 2 weeks. So you do some homework, right? Look at the box for the last 2 weeks, or even if you want to do it 1 month, if you have time, Even if you have much more time, do it for the 6 months. It's easy to check out. And then when you check the box out for like 6 months, and you do it for, let's say, 10 pairs, then even yourself, you will be making up some conclusions in your mind that you think this currency pair is more favorable to this strategy than the other currency pair. You don't limit yourself to currency pair only. You can come down to metals, you can come down to indices, and you can come down to any of these instruments, provided your broker allow you to trade them. Okay, and just test them. Take one weekend out, test them one by one. You don't have to test them all one day. You can test maybe 2 or 3 and write it down. Okay, out of the majors, which one do you think is much respecting this box in the last 1 month? when you know the one that is respecting the box, that is the one you are going to choose. Okay, so all right, best pairs for the strategy. Okay, so initially we started with the GBP USD cable. We have moved to other currency pairs, in fact to other indices, and some people are trading things different, completely different from currencies, and they are still making profit, and they are still profitable and successful. So don't limit yourself to just one particular pair. You can check everything out, and then you can come back to the pair that you agree with. Okay, for example, somebody might agree to be trading gold, for example. You see, if he's making money from gold, why will I tell that person not to trade gold and come and trade cable, GBP USD? I shouldn't do that, because this forex market is tailored to individual. Some people might just look at gold and they love it because maybe they've been buying real gold before. They've gone to countries where gold are cheap, or golds are very available, and they've been dealing in gold, physical gold, and they love to do that in trading. So they choose gold. So it's good to, or somebody might be living in the UK and say, oh, I understand pound sterling because this is my country, and I can see when the Bank of England is going to make decision, I know what they are with, and you test it as well. So good question. Yes, so good question, Cyril. So European session and the GBP, which is called London session, they are Frankfurt, starts 1 hour before London, but we put all of them together as Europe session. So this box is Frankfurt box. It started in the first hour of trading. Good question. Okay, where can I get the session indicator? Okay, you want the session indicator? It's so easy to get it. We have a group where we share all our indicators. The group is we call that group SBS Trading Strategy, Simple Breakout Strategy. It's a Telegram group, and I've just sent you the link. I hope that is it. Yes, that is it. Yes, that is I guess, try that link. Does it work? Let's see. Yes, it does. That's the link. Okay, so try that link. That is the link to the Telegram group. So when you join the group, you will, let me show you quickly because you might not have used Telegram before, and I don't want you to struggle when you get there. Okay, let's quickly check it out. All right, so this is the group. So when you get to the group, you go into the file sessions. So there are a lot of files here. So you click files, and then you probably, okay, this is what you are looking for. This is sessions MQ4. It's right there, sessions MQ4. So you take that and put it on your platform. All right. Let's quickly look at this. I haven't shown this in a while. Okay, there have been a lot of questions, there have been a lot of follow-ups, which is good. Some people are taking time to answer other people's questions. Okay, guys, here is the most powerful strategy I've been using in my whole life. In your whole life. That's a good one. Okay. All right. Let's see some discussions. Okay, somebody has posted SBS mobile. If you want to trade SBS on your mobile, somebody has put it there for you, which is good. That is a small video to show you how to do it. So this is a fantastic group to join. They will help you. All these people are there to help you. You can see nobody ask a question and doesn't get a reply. I'm not the one replying them. You guys are replying each other. I mean, you are helping each other out. Yeah. Oh, goodness me. All right. So you got different charts. These are some charts. Showing the box in real life. This is when the action was going on. Somebody was posting the box. All right, so come on this group here. You receive a lot of help. This is another box. You can see that box. There's a breakout there. So you know the other time we're talking about retest. Okay, if you are talking about retest, you can see that this one has not too much of retest. It's a breakout and it's a runaway breakout. Okay, so usually if you are waiting for retest, yes, sometimes you will get the retest, and which will be quality trade, but sometimes you will miss out because there will be no retest. Okay, all right. What else? Okay, this is another one. Okay, so this is a breakout here, and off it goes. It's just running down. It has a target. It's chasing the next support level. It's running to the next support level. Okay, so let's see more. Okay, this is another person. Okay, this guy is actually trading pure SBS. Why do I say that, or why do I know? You know, this is your trigger candle, right? Because this is the first candle that is completely outside the box. So it's trading pure SBS. So it went short here, and his TP is here. Look, it's almost hit his TP. Okay, he almost get his money back. All right, nearly call his bank accountant. I say, hey, my bank account, come, give me my money. So this guy is making some cool pips there. Traded USD card and pound USD. So just to show you few things. Okay, this is the same trade that you saw earlier. He went in there and it's near his TP. Excellent, great stuff. Okay, all right, so this is going to help you here. We have a lot of people helping out, so I'm going to start to call them now. I am going to call them now. First of all, let me give a big shout to Micah Bello. Micah Bello has been helping a lot of people, has been asking or answering a lot of questions, and it's been very helpful. He has joined a kind of helping people or helping group. We have a lot of people that have been doing that before. So Micah, thank you for doing that. Thank you for joining them, because when we share the burden, you know, it's good. It's not just one person answering everybody else. Let's all put hands together and do it if you have the knowledge. And the thing about teaching is, if you teach other people what you know what happened to you? If you teach other people what you know more. That is it. You understand more, right? That is the situation. You know more, you gain more knowledge, because what happens is that you want to learn. You don't want to say something you don't understand, so you train yourself in order to teach other people. All right, so let me make some call out. Oluwaseun, thank you so much. I think you have been good as well. I've seen your work. Your work is great. Thank you so much. Somebody's asking question. I'm having issue opening this type of files. and it's asking him, you are not to open them. Kindly download them and paste them in your MT4 indicator folder. What a beautiful answer. You know, it doesn't say, hey, go to Baby Pips and go and learn from there or go and watch some YouTube videos. It will tell you how to do it. Don't ask that question here. You know, I like this kind of person, you know, very patient, because he put himself in the shoe of this Farida person. Farida may not know this, but Oluwaseun knows it, but he doesn't shout on her or him. He just gave him a very nice answer. Thank you so much for that. That's the kind of thing we want to see, because we have always been there before. We were babies, now we are grown-ups. All right, let me call out some people here. A lot of people I need to call out. A lot of people. Yeah, Oluwaseun, thank you so much. Okay, you've been good. We've been Sandile. Sandile has been awesome. Awesome, Sandile. Thank you. He's been replying a lot. Thank you so much. You've been great. So Sandile is part of the moderators now. We have some moderators on the Discord channel. For your information, we extended our offering into Discord. So we added to the resources. We know this one, Telegram is good, it's perfect, and then we want more. We don't want just only Telegram, we want more. So we added Discord to it. So we have some people who have been our moderators on Discord. So, and they are still here as well. So they are doing both together. So thank you so much for that. If you like to join the Discord group, oh, look at that. So somebody has just posted this this Naked Forest book. I will encourage you to read it. I think it's fantastic, especially this one. This is a fantastic book. It tells you all about trading without indicators. Yeah, so trading without using any indicators. Price action, where you look at support, resistance, you look at candle patterns and things like that. It's a good read if you can. Okay. All right. So thank you so much for doing that. All right. So look at the long list of answers from Machiavello. So good. Thank you. So people have been very helpful. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Let me call out one more or two more before we close down this one. Let's see who else we can call out. Okay, so let's come back to today. So Wanjala, Samson Wanjala, thank you. And Wasame, we know Wasame is already there for us. Wasame is also a moderator. Thank you so much. Robert, these are my three guys. Oh, thank you so much. I can't answer everybody, but these guys are always there to do that for us. Thank you. Okay, so any more questions? Vuvo. Hello, Vuvo. How are you? Good to see you. All right. So I'm going to say, if there has been 2 or 3 candles after the trigger candle, is still advisable to enter the trade? Very good questions. So let's go and check it out. So what you mean is, here you're supposed to enter at this line here, at this candle, but you have 2 more candles to go. Yes, you can. The only thing is, it's going to increase your stop loss, because your stop loss is going to be still at the same level. So instead of entering here, if you enter 2 candles later, maybe run down here, you see your stop loss just increase a little bit more. But still, you are still okay. Yes, you are still very much okay, because you are not just targeting TP1, you must target TP2, TP3 as long as possible. So good question. Okay. Have you opened the Discord group? Yes, we have. You subscribe to the website, but I have received access. Oh, you haven't? Oh, tell me. All right. I think what's going on is that an email was sent out to everyone that's subscribed, and we were asking you to join the Discord group. So if you have not received the email, you can check your junk folder. But if you have not received the email, I will make sure I send one to you. Let me just put your name down. I will send one to you because it's happening now in the Discord group. It's also happening on Telegram. All right, so we are in both places. But the advantage of Discord group over Telegram right now is just the facilities that are there. You see, in Discord, it has audio as well as messages. So you can do messaging, and also you can do audio. You can speak to people, and then you can record a video. You can do what I'm doing on YouTube now. I can do it on Discord. In fact, my one-to-one mentorship will be on Discord. Initially, I was planning to do it on Zoom. So if, say, you take up my mentorship program, I will have been doing it over Zoom. But now I realize that Discord is much, much, much faster and better. So Discord is something that the gamers, all these YouTube gamers, that's what they use. I think they've perfect this the technology in such a way. It's so good. In fact, you want to go and use it. Just go and try it, because you can jump from one channel to the other. The other advantage is this. Let me quickly show you. If you look at our at this thing here, at the Telegram, can you see how difficult it is for me to find what I'm looking for? All right, so I have to scroll up to look for to search for what I'm looking. Sometimes whether it's up or whether it's down, I don't know, because there's so much going on during the day. So I will have to be trolling. Can you imagine someone that just joined for the first time and is joined this Discord? How many pages is he going to read? He's going to read 100 pages, yeah, or 200, 500 pages. So in Telegram, he's going to read 200 pages. But in Discord, they've solved that problem. So what they did was they give you the opportunity to create different channels for different discussion. So for example, you can say something like, if you are coming here for the first time, or beginners here, experience here, you can have maybe videos here. In Discord, we have what we call a chat pattern. So that is where we put all the chat patterns, and we have signal providers. So some people will be providing you with signal to trade. So you look at the signal. If you like it, you take the signal. And then we are going to be doing signal competition as well, where signal providers will be measured by their performance. So if somebody is providing a signal and seems to be good, and people are using it and it's nice and it's making money, that person will be recognized. Okay, so all of this will happen in Discord. In Telegram is fantastic because we have a lot of people here with a lot of experience. So we are all still here as well. Excellent. Any more questions? Okay, Samuel, don't worry. It's going to be sorted out. In fact, it's supposed to be sorted out this week. So this week will be, hopefully, you won't have that issue again. Yes, we will add more payment gateways so that instead of using PayPal, you can use maybe Paystack, or you can use Skrill, or you can use something else, because I think that is the main issue. Hey, Ajayi, how can I help you? Hello. Okay, you check your email. Okay, check your email, tell me. But even if you don't find it, don't worry. Another one will be sent to you. Definitely sent to you. All right, because we want you to have it. All right, thank you. Any more questions before we move on? Okay, any more questions? Okay, so you are sending your email address. You don't need to send email address. Are you looking for the indicator? Okay, if you are looking for the indicator, you just get it from Telegram. Okay, just get it from Telegram. Simple. Okay, no problem. Tell me, I will send it to you. All right, you will get it. Once I send it, just check your junk folder. It's going to be, what you have to do is just click a link. And first of all, you register in Discord. They will give you a user ID. So you click the link, then you join with that user ID, and then you reply back and say this is your user ID. So when you join with your user ID, we put you in the correct group. So you want to put you in the right group inside Discord. Okay, excellent. Trigger number 3. Candle trigger number 3. Trigger candle number 3. Where is it? Okay. All right, let's do one more. If anybody wants to see any particular charts, let them shout. Okay, this is this one is USD Swiss francs. USD Swiss francs. This is USD Swiss francs. So we're gonna do this one quick. All right, this is USD Swiss francs. All right, remember what I told you before about retest. Did you notice retest here? You saw retest here. So there could be more than one retest. You know, this is the first breakout. Okay, this, let me zoom in. Okay, I'll give you a test now. All right, let me put a marker here. Insert an arrow. Let's do down arrow. We're gonna put our arrow here. I decide to put it here. I can put my arrow anywhere I like. It doesn't. It's my arrow. That is number 1. Okay, tell me what's the trigger candle, please. That is candle number 1. Tell me what is the trigger candle. Answers, please. Okay, so number 3 you said. Tell me, you said number 3. Okay. Remember, this is the trigger candle. Sorry, this is the candle number 1. I'm calling this number 1. I can start from anywhere I like to start number 1. I could start from here. I could start from that. But I decided to start from this one. This is 1. So you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and see which of the numbers is your trigger candle. Okay, answer please. Who is going to tell us? Who is the first person to get it right? Okay, tell me, you change it to 4. All right. Amadu, you change it to 4. You said 4. All right. That is interesting. 3, 4, 4. Anyone else? Anyone else? Anyone else? Jacob, I did not receive Discord mail. Okay, you too, you haven't. All right. Apology for that. You know, sometimes that email do go out into the junk folder, and most of all, we don't check junk folder. I myself, I don't check my junk folder at all, except maybe I register somewhere and I'm expecting an email and it doesn't come, then I will check the junk folder. So don't worry, I know what you mean. Mike is 4. All right. Wasame. Take 5. Take 5. Take 5. I'm giving you 5 there. Wasame, don't answer the questions anymore. You are too much. Etwaruna 4. Abel 4. Jacob 4. Okay. It seems we have powerful guys tonight. Yes, everybody's getting it right. Okay, so let me put this properly. Yes. All right, so let's see who is right. Let's see who is right. So number 1, this is number 1. Definitely is nothing. Is in the box. It's completely in the box. Number 2, right? It's in the box. So there's no question about that. It's not our candle. Number 3 is also not our candle. It's still in the box. But number 4 is not in the box. Number 4 is outside of the box and it's not touching. So it is our candle. Oh, Telegram name is called Simple Breakout System, SBS. But I think your best bet actually is to just click the link here. Instead of searching for it, just click this link and it will take you there straight away. I think that's much easier. All right, so this is the trigger candle, okay, for this particular one here. So you put your sell order at the close of that trigger candle. Okay, at the close. Okay, just click the link. You see the link I sent you? I've posted the link. Just click it. That's how you join. Click it and then you join it. Okay, you can save that link on your computer. All right. Okay, so now we go short from here, and your stop loss is just this line, 1 or 2 pips above, and your take profit 1 TP1 is the size of this range or this box. All right, then we measure the range. The range is giving us only 10 pips. All right, let's extend it to 11. Okay, it's 10. Okay, let's make it 11. Okay, 11 pips because it's 10.6. So let's round it up to 11 pips. Okay, so 11 pips you are looking for. Let's see whether you get 11 pips. So 11 pips, do you get it from here? Actually, you know what? You got 11 pips from here. TP1. Okay, what about TP2? Let's see, that's yeah, you got TP1 there. Here you get 22 pips. TP2 there. 33 pips. That's TP3 here. 33 TP3. Is it 44? Do we have up to 44? Yes, we got. This is 47. So TP4. Is there more? No, not more. That is the lowest we got. So we got TP1, 2, 3, and TP4. Fantastic on USD Swiss francs. Okay, are you able to join the Telegram now? I hope so, right? Good stuff. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, any questions about the chart? About it? Do you have any question? I can see people are joining now. New people are joining. Right, let's see. Okay, so we have new joiner. Seko Mukwena, welcome to Telegram. Nate, welcome. Yusuf Abdul Ehidi, welcome. Frank, welcome. Omar Whitaker, welcome. Taha Nu, welcome. Absa Ahmad, welcome. So if you haven't joined, you better join now because you are going to benefit a lot. Probably you will see the number of people there. It's 1,165. So you're not going to be alone. You're going to be assisted by Wasame. You're going to be assisted by Robert. You're going to be assisted by Sandile. You're going to be assisted by a lot of people. So jump on board, right? You're going to be assisted by a lot of people here, okay? Samson is there to help you. Who else is there? I've said some of the names earlier. So they're all there waiting for you. Mojalefa is there as well to help you. So come on, please. Come on, join. I've done my bit and they are the one doing it for you now. So thank you for doing so. All right. So any question? Hey, it is 5. It's 5 greetings, yeah? All right, 5 greetings. Okay, cool. So, ladies and gentlemen, I just want to show you the competition that we are running at the moment. You know about the competition. Okay. So, it's called the SBS competition, right? So, it's SBS competition. So, this is let's go there. So, I will go to competition. So the competition is organized or is hosted by FS Blue, and it is our competition. We set it up in order to find who is our best trader that is using SBS. So we want to find traders that are using SBS and how good they are, because sometimes you can give the same strategy to 10 different people and they will perform differently. So that is what we want to establish. So if you want to join this competition, it started just about a week ago on the 1st of July, or today is the 8th. So we just finished a week yesterday. Just a week yesterday. So you got plenty of room to enter the competition. So don't say, oh, it started already. No, it's not too late. You can join the competition. In fact, we allow anyone to join the competition at any time. So you click competition, you click active. These are all the competitions that are currently running. Hey, SBS, you are killing it. SBS is killing the competition. Look at how many people register for SBS. 70. Okay, 70 people have gone through the registration process. So, ladies and gentlemen, you are welcome to join and test yourself against the best. Okay, so 70 people have taken the advantage, the opportunity. So you click your trade mentor, and then if you want to join, you click join and you will join here. Okay, so if you have not registered with these guys, with this FS Blue, I think they require you to register, and then you link your MT4 platform to them. Once you link it and you join us, you will be in the list here. Okay, and if you need to read the rules of the competition, the rules are so straightforward. We are starting in July, 1st of July. You can use demo or live account. We want you to use the SBS strategy for your entry, but your exit is up to you. You are free to combine SBS with any indicator of your choice. You can watch more of the SBS on the YouTube channel. If you don't know much about it, we are not using any expert advisor. Okay, one of the conditions is that try to use an account with a balance of $1,000 so that everybody starts from the same point, the same capital. So we don't want someone to start with 100,000 and someone else start with $100. That's unfair competition. So you all start from $1,000. It could be demo, it could be live. Okay, another thing is that make sure there is no running trade. There is no open trade when you join. You must close all your trades before you join, and your account must be $1,000. Otherwise, what happens is their system, FS Blue system, will just it will say that your conditions and the conditions are not met, and it will ban you. Okay, or disqualify you. So we don't want a lot of people who are disqualified, and of course very unfairly, because some of the things were not correct. Okay, so just be aware of that. So as we said, it started about a week ago, so there's still plenty of time to go, ladies and gentlemen. As I said, you can join anytime. Okay, okay, there's a prize to be won. Ladies and gentlemen. 5 prizes to be won, so you got chance to win some prizes. But I think we are doing it not just only for the prize. We're doing it for the for testing yourself, for becoming better trader, and we want you to treat this as if it's a live account. Even though you have opened a demo account, but treat it as if it's live account. Okay, treat it as if it's your $1,000 that is on the line. Your prestige is on the line as well. Your ego is on the line. You want to win, right? I'm sure you are very competitive, so you want to win. Good stuff. Try to email us at this email address that you have joined. Okay, that's about it. So once the competition is over, the cash prices will be doled out to your account if you have PayPal. If you don't have PayPal, we use another method to pay you, maybe bank transfer or whatever that suits you. All right, now let's see the competition itself. Let's see who is. These are the leaderboard. This is our leaderboard. Okay. This is our leaderboard. Can you believe it, ladies and gentlemen? Can you believe what your eyes is seeing? Can you believe what your eyes is seeing? This is somebody who is trading using purely SBS. Simple Breakout Strategy. The person has confirmed that that is what they are using, and we have no reason to doubt them. Okay, so in 1 week, this person has taken a profit of 413%. So what does that mean? He has multiplied his account 4 times in just 7 days. Okay, today is what? Today is 8. So we started on the 1st of, actually we started on the 1st. So we traded Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 3 trading days, Monday, Tuesday. So in 5 days, in 5 trading days, these guys have gained 400%. So that is 80% per day. No, sorry, 50% per day, probably around 50% per day or more. I mean, this is not, I don't know whether it's sustainable. Maybe we shall see, but this is possible. So if this person is actually trading without using excessive lot sizes, without over trading, and without doing anything unreasonable, I think they could maintain that momentum. That would be great. So look at number 2. Because you are since 400, don't think these guys have not done a wonderful job. Number 2 has done a fantastic job. In other places, it will be number 1. In fact, in other places, even this number 8 could be number 1. All right. So he has doubled his account. This number 2 has doubled his account in 7 days. Number 3 has doubled his account in 7 days. Number 4, he has 35%, 23%, 20%, like that. Okay, and we have seen some people as well that have lost part of the account. So we have different pages. That's page 1. That's page 2. You can see some people are already almost out of the game. Some people are out of the game already. Okay, so a good news for you is that if you are out of the game, yeah, you can register again. Don't worry, you can go back again and register. Okay, because you got plenty of time to do so. You can register as many times as you can. The only caveat to that is that you cannot win all the 5 cash prizes. In fact, you cannot win 2 cash prizes. You can only win 1 cash prize. Even if you open 5 different accounts and you came 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, you only get the prize for the 1st position, because we want other people also to share. We don't want just one person who knows how to trade and get all the 5 prizes and run away with it, and the second person is just looking. So, ladies and gentlemen, so if you have run your account to the ground, that's a good news for you, is that don't worry, you can come back. Just register again. And the thing is that you are going to learn from this one. You are going to learn from what you did here. It could be that you are using a higher lot size. It could be that you are not using a stop loss. It could be that you are taking too much risk. Whatever the case may be, or you are using the wrong strategy, or you didn't close your position on time. Whatever that is the case, you will learn from this, and then you can improve. And few people also have been disqualified. Okay, you can see disqualified people here. See, these people has been disqualified. If you have been disqualified, you can come back, register again, and make another attempt. Okay, make another attempt, but must get better. You must do better than before. Okay, and these few guys, they haven't actually connect yet. They haven't traded, so the system didn't recognize that they have done anything yet. They just registered, but they haven't done much with it. So if you're also in this group, you got to start to press your buy sell button. All right, so that's about the competition. So the question is, will you join, or you just let these people go and test themselves out and become a better trader? Because what happened is they will learn from this, they will learn something from this, and they will take it forward. Okay, so if you want to join that competition, all right, I'll send you the link to join the competition. That's the link to join the competition. It's not actually too late. You can join right now. Okay, we have 70 people that have joined already. Okay, right. Question: hope the discount wouldn't be revoked before we can be able to make payment. No, I've noticed your name down somewhere, and any other person. Even if we have removed the discount and you come back to me, say, did you remember you told me this? Then I will open it for you, and then you can register with the discount. Okay, because it is not your fault right now for not able to register. All right, it is not your fault at all. Good stuff. Okay, any question? How do you determine they actually use SBS? Okay, good question. Very good question. Okay, this is how we are going to determine it. Okay, so we have the Euro box, we have the American box. Okay, let's turn it on. Let's just turn it on so that you can see what we are saying. Okay, so you turn it on, you turn the American box on, and you turn the American and the Asia. This is the Asian box, and that's the American box. Okay, all right, so we turn it on, and you can trade any of these boxes you like. Okay, you can trade America, Europe, and you can trade Asia as well. And also for Europe, for example, we are using the Frankfurt time. Yeah, I've seen some people using the London time. As I said before, London is 1 hour after Frankfurt. So some people will have their box here. It's still okay. You are still using SBX, but you must be able to prove to me that, because we will do some random sampling. So we take your trade. Let's say you have 10 trades. We can pick 3 out of the 10, and we check your entry. What we want to check is only your entry. We are not checking your exit. Your exit can be anything, but your entry must be either after Europe, after America, and if you are using the other box, which is here, you put it there and we'll see where you take the trade. So we will measure it. It's measurable. It is really measurable. So if you are trading American session, we want to see when you enter the trade, either here or whatever, when there is a breakout, when you enter. So far you can prove that, and you use other indicators or price action to exit. Fantastic. That's what we want. We want some innovations. Yes. Okay, you're waiting for Paystack. Okay, yes. No worries. We are going to enable it shortly. It's actually supposed to be done this week. So hopefully before the end of this week, you are going to get onto the platform. Okay. Any more question? All right. Any more questions about the competition? Is there any more question about the competition? Okay. All right. Is there any more question about competition? Try to join, because they said initially that it's difficult to join. It's complex to join this FS Blue, but as you can see, 90 people have done it, so it cannot be too difficult for you too. Okay, so for the lot size, okay, so what I'm going to do is maybe next time I will teach you guys. Actually, I'll do that in the Discord group. I'll teach you how to calculate your lot size, properly, because you cannot be guessing what your lot size should be. Consistency is what gives profit. So, but in Forex, if you are not consistent with lot sizing, it might kill you. So to get the right lot size for your trade, you need three things, three requirements, three things you must know. What is the balance on your account? Is it $1,000 account you have or $50 account? That's number one. Number two, what risk percentage are you willing to take? Are you a risk taker who wants to take 25% of your trade or on one trade, 25% of your capital on one trade? No, we don't do that. We say maximum should be about 2 to 5%. Okay. And the third thing, once you know the second thing, the third thing you must know is when you are going to that trade, what is the size of your stop loss? How many pips? Is it 10 pips? Is it 20 pips? The good thing about SBS is that it gives you specific stop loss. So you know your stop loss before you start trading. Let's assume this is where you enter the market. Let's assume this is your market. Okay, let's say you enter here. All right, you enter there. That's your stop loss. You can measure it. You can measure your stop loss from this line to that line. You say, okay, my stop loss is 12 pips, right? That is it. 12 pips is my stop loss. So there's a formula to calculate it. So you put your stop loss, you put your capital, and then you put your risk percentage and you press calculate. It will do the calculation for you automatically. Okay, and it will come out and say your lot size is 0.02 or your lot size is 2.5 lots or 0.31 lots. So it might not be a round number. It could be 0.05. Whatever it is, you have to follow it. As your account grows, so your lot size grows. Maybe this week, I'll try and do another video and post it on YouTube. I want to do a video on compounding. Okay. In fact, I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you something somebody wrote this week for me on our website. I actually put his name there. Let me go there. It's yourtradementor.com. So if you have a talent and you can write blog, if you're a blogger, you have talent, you can write. Yes, I will welcome you to come and show your talent on our site here, on this blog. So this guy is a friend. He said he can write. I said, okay, come on, write. So on 5th, when was today is 8th. So on the 5th, that was Sunday. Yes, on Sunday, he wrote this. He wrote this, The Power of Compounding. Okay, I'll show you the name of the guy now. Okay, so it's a young chap. I think he's just a graduate and he loves writing. So I said, look, I will promote you. Okay. So well, that's his name, Joan Pablo. Okay, Joan Pablo is his name. So he wanted me to put his name there. I said, look, that's fine. So if you are a blogger, you like writing, especially about financial, you like writing about forex, stocks, indices, cryptocurrency, whatever you want to write, I can help you. I can post it for you, but make sure that it's a decent article. Okay, so not too long. I think look at the whole of the article here is how many paragraphs? 1, 2, 3, 4 paragraphs, and it makes sense, right? It makes sense. So we will review it, and if we find that it's okay, we will post it for you, and you can take this the URL and put it on your own, Facebook page. Show it to your friend in school. Tell them that this is your article. Is online. It's live. Okay, so we will promote you from there, and you know what? Your article could go viral. Can you imagine if your article goes viral? Because this website is going to be known very soon worldwide, because we have a lot of people from different countries. Even right now on this YouTube live session, I'm sure we have more than 10 countries here tonight. And if you take this to your country and share it to your friends and say, look, this is my blog. This is my article. Look at me, right? It could go viral, and very soon you might be featuring in a television interview or a radio interview in your country. So, ladies and gentlemen, that is opportunity for you. That is if you're a blogger, right? So you are not limited to what topic you can write. Just be creative about which topic that interests you. You can see different type of topic we have talked about: compounding interest, how to win in the forex market, the pros and cons of trading with expert advisor, learn from the best mentors and don't repeat their mistakes. So it's just different topics, yeah, different topics. So don't worry about the image. If you don't have image, it's okay. I will get image for you. But if you want to write and you want to show your skills and you want it to go live, go ahead and do it. All right, excellent. Okay, while we are here, I'm going to quickly show you this our mentorship website. Okay, I know most of you know it already. Okay, so the website is called yourtradementor.com. Okay, let me just post it to you. It's called yourtradementor.com. Any question? Let's answer question first. Okay, Professor, I am late. Do I sign up for FS Blue? Oh, how do you sign up to FS Blue? Okay, yeah, no problems. Oh man, you got to join the FS Blue, mate. Look at where people are. 400% already, mate. So people are running this thing. So you got to join. But don't worry, you can start now, because you know they used to say it's not the one that started first that always win, but it's the one that stay to the end that wins. So that is the to register with to FS Blue. You can click the link I just sent you. Okay, so I've shown this before. Crypto, I've shown that before. So go and register right away. Let me tell you how many people are there already. Okay, so in the active sessions, we have 70 people already registered. So it's not a small number. Okay. Hello, Hammer, you're welcome. Please, sir, I'm new trader and just wish if you can just make a brief how we can enter or take a trade. Okay, we will do it one more time. Okay, that's good. We'll do it one more time for you. All right, so go and join the competition. Crypto and everybody else, even Haman, go and join that competition. We'll give you the tools to use to trade, because we are saying that you should use only the SBS, and we will teach you the SBS strategy. All right, and we want to see how good you are. You can see people are making 100%. We only started 7 days ago on the 1st of July, and people already multiplied their account by 4 times. Account 4 times multiplied. Okay, good. But remember, we are not only looking at those people that are making 400. We are looking at everybody that are trading like a professional. So not gambling. We don't want to gamble. We want to trade professionally. Okay, good stuff. All right, so I was going to show you. Any more question? All right, yes. Please go and join. Yes, join. And also you can join the Telegram. The Telegram group will also help you. All right. So I was going to show you this website, which is our tradementor.com website. Okay, I can't find how to register, only can find login. Okay, let me show you quickly. Okay, so let's say I have not registered. Yeah, I will click SBS. I will go to join. So when I look for SBS competition, this is the SBS competition. Then here I will click, there's a tab called join. So when I click the tab join, see, I could not join until I register or log in. So then you have to start from here. You click register. Okay, so now you see I have not logged in. Okay, so if I have registered already, I just put my username and password here. But because I have not registered before like you, then you have to choose what registration you want. There are 2 types of syncing your account to FS Blue. You can either use the account sync method, which is automatic, or you can use their EA. Well, most people recommend you using this account sync because you don't have to put any EA, you don't have to download their EA or anything like that. So most people will use this account sync. Okay, so you choose which platform you are using, MT4, MT5, whatever it is. Okay, so if you are using MT4, you just click here and say register. So you click here, register, and then you enter your broker server. So let's say you are using ASC Forex or whatever your broker is. You will find your broker here. So many of them, Clear, Dukas Copy, whatever it is. Euromix, if you are using Euromax FX, you put your account number here and your read-only password. That read-only password is given to you by your broker. Okay, they want your email address as well. That's all you need to do, and click register. But once you register, I think you still have to confirm your email. So you go through the process of confirming your email, and that's it. I think you got to confirm your email from your phone number or something like that. Then you confirm your email, you send them the confirmation, and that's it. And then once you finish that, now you are registered and you log in. Now if you come back to the competition, now that you have registered, you come back to the competition, you go to your trade SBS challenge and you say join. You will not see this register again or login. You just say join. Then you can just join that competition. Okay, I hope that is clear. All right. Okay, you have Oanda, not MT4. Oanda. Okay, do they have Oanda there? Let me check. All right, let's go to FS Blue Live. Oanda. I'm not sure whether they have. Is Oanda the trading platform itself? I think these are the only platform they can sync to. You know what you can do? Just open a demo account with any broker that has MT4 platform. You don't have to use a live account. You can use your demo account. Okay, let me give you a link. I'll give you a link to open a demo account. I'll give you IC Market link. I'll give you IC Market link. So you can just open a demo account with IC Market. Crypto, because you are one of the SBS main people. So I don't want you to miss out on trading that live, okay? Or competing with other people there with demo account. So go there and register a demo account. It takes only 5 minutes. You don't need to supply any information. It's only when you want to open live. So register, but make sure you register only $1,000 US. Don't ask for 100,000. And also make sure you don't have any open position when you join. So that's it. So open a demo account and you join, okay? And you need to test yourself against the best. Okay, good stuff. Thank you so much. All right, so this is a website that is meant for you to get mentored by me, okay? So I've created this platform for you to become a professional, successful trader. So how do I do that? I created 3 packages for you, okay? The first package is for you to come into the website. A lot of you already in my website on the portal, so you have a login to your own area. In that place, you have quite a lot of resources available to you. You have videos, you have strategies and everything. Okay, so whether you are silver, gold or diamond, you all have access to the same resources. Okay, maybe these people can have maybe a little bit more, but you have enough resources there to be a successful trader. And remember, we have opened a Discord group for these people here. All these people here, if you want, you come into this Discord group. The Discord group is the forum. It's a forum where you interact with other traders. Okay, so, but why is this $200 and why is that $500? Why are not the same price when I said they are basically the same thing? Okay, the only difference there is the one-to-one mentorship. you can see here there's a one-to-one mentorship for $200. So if you want to examine your trade, and you want me to examine where you are coming from, maybe there were things that you want to change, your strategy, or you want me to recommend one strategy for you that I think is going to work well for you, this is your chance to do that. Okay, so for a day, within a day, we choose 2 hours that suit you. Within that day, we will sit down together in fact, I was going to use Zoom before, but now I'm going to do it on Discord, because Discord is much better. It has video, it has audio, everything. So for one day, me and you will sit down and we trash it out. Okay, and if you think the one day is just too little, because you might need more help than just 2 hours discussion, you might need me to do more, to dig deeper. You know, somebody who's been trading for, let's say, 3 years or 5 years and lost a lot of money, so they really want to get the whole thing once and for all. So you might need more than one day. So that's why I created this one for 3 days. So that's 6 hours. 6 hours. So you book the date directly with me. You look into my calendar. I open my calendar. You look at whatever date that suits you. You book it, and then we have our training. I'll train you for that. So for that 3 days, that is why you pay this. All are one-off payment. You don't pay this every month at all. It's a one-off to get 3 days mentorship, one-to-one. It's not one to many people, it's one-to-one. So you have my ear. You can ask me any question you've been dying to ask. You ask me and you get a straightforward answer. So, but if you think 1 hour or 2 hours is enough, then you sign up to this. But this one doesn't come with one-to-one mentorship at all, but it comes with everything else that everybody will have access to. Okay, now tonight, as you know that currently I'm doing promotion tonight. I'm doing promotion because I deliberately was teaching you guys to be successful, and I don't want anyone to miss out. So tonight you are not going to pay $50 to join this group, to become successful, to join Telegram. You are not going to pay even $40 or $30 or $20. You're only going to pay $10. I will have said to you, don't pay anything. You can just come in $0. But anything that is free, usually people don't value it. That's why I put it at 10 minimum. Say, okay, look, you can buy one bucket of chicken at Kentucky Fried Chicken for $10, or at McDonald's or at KFC, whatever. So that is why I said, look, $10 will not kill anybody. If you're a forex trader, you should be able to afford $10. So I don't want any of my people to miss out. So that's why I say you pay $10. But to pay that $10, let me show you what to do. All right. So you must choose this package if you want to pay $10. Make sure you choose silver. Okay. But if you want to go straight forward to mentorship, you need to do it quickly. I can show you my calendar. I'm just looking at my calendar now. It's getting filled up. For the next week, for example, I've got sometimes I got 2 mentorship in one day. Yes, 2 in a day. In fact, 3 to 5, 5 to 7 in one day. And you know what? I cannot teach 40,000 people. I have almost 40,000 on my YouTube channel. So I can't mentor 40,000. So I can only mentor a few. So if you are lucky, you come on time, you get my mentorship. Okay, so this is how to do it. You will go to start mentorship. You choose the correct package. You say start mentorship. You fill all your information. Make sure you choose the right country and your right code. All right, and make sure your country is right as well. And make sure you put the correct phone number. Okay, I'm changing that because it will if you use the same number twice, it won't let you do it. Okay, all right. So referral ID. In the referral ID, you don't put anything because you don't have a referral ID yet. So email address, you put your email address there. Okay, and password, put a password, a strong password. Okay, put a very strong password there and click next. Okay, now you see that you got $50 to pay. Okay, but that is if you don't have any discount code from me. But tonight I'm giving you a discount code, which is this code here. I will post the same code here for you, all right, on the chat so that you can grab it and use it. So that's the code, but make sure when you paste the code, make sure you don't put any space, because if you do, let me say I add space. Look at what I'm going to do now. If I deliberately add 2 spaces and I say apply code, it will reject it. It says discount code is wrong. Kindly check and try again. So nothing is wrong with the discount code. It's just because I've added space, maybe unknowingly, accidentally. So now let me delete the 2 spaces again. 1, okay, 1, 2. I've deleted the 2 spaces. And let me try apply discount again. Okay, so let's see the magic now. Apply discount. Discount applied. So this time there's no error. And when you click OK, let's see what happened. Right. So it has calculated that you don't have to pay $50. You only have to pay $10. Okay. All right. Then you select this card payment. And that's one of the guys saying earlier that we will have more options here. Maybe Skrill, maybe Paystack, maybe Stripe or whatever. We can add more so that people can use different type of payment. But PayPal also have 2 types. Okay, if you choose PayPal, it has PayPal email, you know how it works, and it has a credit card. So you go through the process and then you say complete your registration. Okay, so when you complete your registration, don't wait for any email confirmation. You can already log in straight away. Your account is already enabled. So you just go straight and log in into your account. Okay, so let's assume you register tonight. Oh, Bitcoin. Okay, no. Somebody has just asked that. It might be an option that we will add as well, so that you guys can pay with Bitcoin. Okay, so we will add that option. But for now, just pay with a credit card or PayPal. It's only $10 for now. But by the time, maybe in a month's time before we renew, I think we should have a Bitcoin as well. Okay, discount the diamond. You want discount on the diamond? Okay. Okay. Yeah. You know my. Are you on Telegram? If you're on Telegram, chat me up on Telegram, and I will probably create something for you. Okay, because I want you also to benefit. You know, but we want everybody that has known me in the past to be part of this. So that's why we put the discount on the $50 one. Okay, so when you register and log in, you can go to the store. This is another benefit that you will gain. So this is another benefit that you have if you register. So you go into the store. Okay, so if you are not a member and you go to the store, we have all this product for you. So we have these are indicators, and if you go to the next page, we have few strategies there as well. So we have no lag, Renko Builder, Simple Breakout. This is a strategy, and this is also Bollinger Band Squeeze strategy. This is $150. That is $150. This is a trading journal. So all these indicators and strategies, you see the prices. If you are not a member, you will pay whatever price it is. But if you are a member, you join tonight, tomorrow I will send you another email, and in that email is your welcome email, and you have your welcome gift. So inside your email, your gift will say to you, you can download all of this at 100% value. So the discount, the coupon code will give you 100% of any product that you download. So that means you will pay nothing. So you are looking at 150 plus 150, that's $300. This is $100, 100, that's $500. Or whatever. Yeah, $500 on this page, only. All right. And I've seen some people, they really love it, and they just sink their teeth into it. They sink their teeth into the indicators and they download it like crazy. I bet, yes, this week we are having the other options this week. So the developer has been busy, so we are having the other options this week. I will make sure that happens. I'll try as much as I can to make sure that happens. So that is the stuff for you. All right. So, and I said to you, the other benefit is the Discord. So you will get a third email from me later on. Yeah. That third email will send you a link to join Discord group. Okay. In Discord group, you will be getting daily signals, trade signals. You'll be getting new videos will be posted there, because we can't post them in Telegram. It's going to get lost in the pile of information on Telegram. So in Discord, we have created different channels for different topics, so it's easy to manage it. So come in there. When you come in there, you see what I'm talking about. Okay. So now let me give you the code, because you want the code, right? So that is the code to use if you want this discount tonight. Today, if you want this discount today, use this code when you get to yourtradementor.com. Let me go there. I'll send you the link where you can click, and then you can go straight to registration page. You can go straight to this place and make sure you pick the package that you want. Okay. So go there, pick the package you want and register. Okay. Any questions about the offering? Any question at all? I'm here to answer the question. How you doing, sir? Henskel, Apollo. Hello, Henskel. How are you? You're good. All right. So MT4. Yeah. Oh, okay. Somebody says Oanda uses MT4 as well. Yeah, I guess as much, because they might actually be losing out if they don't use MT4. A lot of people uses MT4, a lot of brokers uses MT4. And remember that MT5 was supposed to be the latest version, but majority of traders don't use MT5. They stuck with MT4. Like me too. I've never used, I've tested MT5, but I didn't really see any improvement or anything that I would say, oh, I must move to MT5. So I just stuck with MT4. It does what I want to do. It's like Windows. I remember when there was a Windows 7 and then they did Windows 8. You remember what happened? Nobody moved to Windows 8. They stuck with Windows 7. Now Microsoft thought, maybe if you make Windows 8 better, they call it Windows 8.1. Still, nobody moved. They said we made a mistake. And then they did Windows 10. And then that's when people start to move. So I think MetaTrader need to rethink. They need to bring another version that people really want. There are a lot of things that are not in MetaTrader. I can tell you a few of them. For example, in MetaTrader, there is no Renko bar. I hope you guys know what is Renko bar. It's a very powerful chart type. In MetaTrader, let me show you again. MetaTrader, you only got what? Bar, candlestick, and line. That is not good enough. In other like the trading view has that, what I'm talking about. It has the Renko bar, and it has other type of bars as well, Kangi and many more. So you need such a thing there in MT4. I think MT4 have to improve, although they have the majority of the market at the moment. I think that's why they are not really bothered that much. Excellent. Okay. Any more question? Do you want to see one more trade before we go? All right, let's see one more trade. Let's see an indices, okay? Because we have not even used all these 3 sessions. Okay, let's see US Tech or US 30. Okay, let's see US 30. Okay, all right. So this is US 30. You can see the boxes. You can see the Asian box, the Euro box. Okay, so this is when the Asian box is going to be formed. So when you put your indicator on the chart and you get this vertical line, don't worry, it's not an error, it's part of it. It only become a box when the time gets there. When the trade gets there and we stamp on that line, it will turn to a smaller box. Okay, so say for example you want to trade this system here. It's so easy. So you are just looking to, let's go to today. Okay, so this is today. For American session, if you want to trade American session here, let's quickly see what we can get from American session. That is that one there, and this is this one there. So this is a breakout here. You make your TP1. Okay, here there's no trade here. Okay, there's no trade here because all the 3 candles are still touching the line. Okay, there could be a trade. There is a trade here. Okay, but also there's another breakout here. So in this occasion you have 2 breakouts, actually 3. This is breakout 1, fake breakout. You remember what we said before, fake breakout, right? So that's breakout 1, breakout 2 here. No, there's no breakout here. This is second breakout, breakout 2, and that's breakout 3. So you make your TP1, TP2 here. You make TP1 here. You might lose 1 here. Okay. Let's see JP25225. JP225. Okay. Similar stuff. This is let's try the Asian box for this one. Okay. For the Asian box, you can see here is a breakout. So here you make probably TP1. You might not be up to TP2, but you might be lucky to get up to TP2. Then when you move to the next session, you must use the next session box. Don't use the old box for the next session. Okay, so if you are trading and you go to Europe and you don't have any open position, if you have open position, yes, you can manage it throughout the sessions. You can even have a position open here and it's still open in Europe, it's still open in America, but make sure you close it in 1 day. Don't leave it more than a day. All right, so you go to the Europe session, you take the Europe trade, and when you get to America, you switch to American session again and you take the American trade. Okay, so let's do one more. Let's do, how do we make those boxes? Okay, to make the boxes, you have an indicator that does that for you. The indicator is called sessions indicator. Okay, sessions indicator, and it has some settings here. The one we are doing right now, we set Asia to 2 to 3 a.m., Europe to 9 to 10 a.m., and USA to 14 to 15 hours. Okay, so that is the box. Okay, the box, if you want to get the box, is on the Telegram group. I'm sure you're on the Telegram group, but if you are not, I'm going to send you, it is free. You are not going to pay for Telegram group. You are not going to pay for the knowledge. So just come and get the knowledge. It's there for you. It's up to you if you want to get it. A lot of people are there to help you out. So just pop in there. You can pop in and pop out as many times as you want within a day. You are not required to sign any contract. You are not as required to sign any contract. It's a free service. Okay, a lot of guys are happy to help you out. So but make sure you thank them after they've helped you. Just say thank you. That's all they need. No, that's all they need. They don't need anything more than that. All right, so wherever you are tonight, let me know what is your good evening or good night or thank you. Say it in your language. Type it out because I want to read it out for you. Otma 4x. You said if we register for membership now, you will send a link to access the items in the shop. That's correct. Yes, I will send you the access to the shop. And for your $10, you can download a material worth over $1,000. Yes, some people have said to me I'm crazy doing that. I said no, I'm not. What I have given out on YouTube alone in the last 9 years is probably way more than that. And you people know already that that is what I do. So it's not a new thing for me. I could have said it's free. The only thing I will have been charging for, honestly, is my mentorship. Because obviously, if I'm going to stay with somebody for 3 days, it cannot be free, right? Even if I want to do it for free, it's not going to be possible if, let's say, 100 people want me to do that for free. So how will I do that? So definitely, I will charge for mentorship. The others, it should have been free. But you know what? Anything free, sometimes people don't place importance to it. So I brought it to as minimum as possible. Which code is not working? No, it's working. I'll show you the example. You know, if you put it, if there's a space on the code, it will not work. So when you copy and paste it, make sure you delete extra spaces before it and after it. You know, I did test it here just now. People saw it. So you delete the spaces. It should work 100%. Yes. So if you register and you log in tonight, in fact, if I see your registration tonight, I can still send you the email tonight. And it will contain a coupon code. That coupon code, let me show you where it will go. Okay? Just for the benefit of the person that was asking the question. So I will quickly demonstrate to you what you will get if you register. Okay? Registration is coming from all over the world. We have people from Saudi Arabia, Japan, USA, UK, Nigeria, Canada, Netherlands. Different countries are coming. So if you are able to get to the store, what you need to do is just add the product you want to your basket. Okay, if you want one product, it's up to you how many you want. So you go to, let's say you are somebody who has gone on my YouTube channel in the past, and then there's an indicator you like. Let's say you want automatic trend line. You don't want to be thinking too much how to draw a trend line. Okay, CCJ, Jayes, where have you gone? You just come in. Oh my goodness me, Jayes is in the house, please. Everybody, Jayes in the house. All right, so you click add to cart. Okay, add to catalog or whatever they call it, cart. Okay, whether it's a cat or it's a dog. All right, let's say you have one there. Let me add one more. Okay, let me add one more. So making 2. Okay, so you add 2 in the cart. Okay, and then so you got 2 things there. Then you say view cart, basket. You view your basket. Okay, so you are from work. I see. Hey, Alama Robert. That is Uganda for you, right? Yeah. I know your languages now. Don't worry, everyone. Just calm down. I'm going to greet you in your language. So I'm afraid if I didn't greet you in your language, it's because you haven't told me what is thank you, or what is good night, or what is bye-bye. Whatever you want to say, just type it in the box in your language. Then I will greet you in your language. Okay? So now, look at that. I think I have some few stuff in my basket before. So now I have, my basket is now $400 US. Okay? So if I haven't registered, I will pay $400 from my credit card. But if I register with $10 tonight, I'm a member, the code that I'm going to give you in the email address, you put it in the coupon code. You see the coupon code here. You put it there and you say apply coupon. So what happens is that $400 will become 0. Nil. What is 0 in your language? Oh, zero, nada. It becomes zero. Then you just say, but make sure you apply code, and then you say proceed to checkout. So you proceed to checkout, you pay nothing. Okay, that is how it works. All right. So I'm here to help, and whatever it is in my power to do, I will do it. But note that this is just the beginning. We are going to populate this product page with a lot of stuff that will work. So we are not putting any garbage here. No, we are putting things that we know it works, that I have taught before. All of this strategy, go and check them out. All of this strategy are things that I've taught you guys. Thank you so much. We have received a lot of testimony on SBS already, how SBS is changing people's life. And we have 3 main strategies that we teach now in the mentorship. We have the SBS is one of them, and we have 2 other ones that we teach. So it depends on how which of the 3 strategy fits your personality. I will recommend that to you, and then you go with that for 1 month. Start trading for 1 month and see your results get better. Okay, so that's it. Any more question from anybody? Okay, any more question from anybody? Any more question? Jayes, you're right, from work. Okay, good. How was the office today? I hope it was a good work today, good day today. All right, make sure you join us in the Telegram group. All right, and I'm sure you already signed up. You already signed up to yourtradementor.com. Maybe next time I will show you the Discord group. But today I've shown you a lot of stuff. So, all right. So it's time for me to now greet you in your language. So if you still want to send me your language greeting, no problem. I will greet you in that language. Okay. Excellent. So, Terima Kashi. Who's that? Robert Eyalama, right? Spasiba. I'm going to South Africa now. Siyabonga. Bunu Note. I'm going to Nigeria. Ndewo. Indeed, Maba. Kashifo. I'm going to Nigeria again. Odaro. Ndewo Kashifo. Gal Louise. Nelale Kale. Toshibu Alakaye. I think that is Arabic. Is that Arabic? That must be Arabic. Yeah. You Etele Kale. Cochran. Mamoon. Grazi. Eyalama Nori. Ulale Kale. Keya Lesoha. Lala Salama. Okay, who else? Subi Tari. Yes, to Subi Ratri. Thank you so much, Ekale. Thank you so much, everybody. Okay, we have Emailer. Thank you so much, everybody, tonight. You have been great. It's nice to have taught you tonight. Again, Robert and Roti Zero. What's that? Enroti Zero, what's that? Tell me. What is Enroti Zero? Enroti Zero, 000. What is that? All right. Emailer, Ekale, Subi, Ratri, Ndewo. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen.